Dennis Ramsay was just at Natalina's Pizza Parlor. Bought a large order of French fries. I'll rate them between a 1 to 10 on their goodness. Sunny in Kentville today. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Share the 13,400 videos with your family and friends. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up on my videos, won't ya? And share. Golden brown French fries from Natalina's Pizza Parlor. Let's rate them between a 1 to 10 on their goodness. Ketchup. Ketchup. Nice and golden brown. Know what I mean? Want one? No, you're on a diet. The Natalina's French fries, I give them a 9 out of 10. Very good. Please subscribe now to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel if you like rock and roll songs and paintings and outdoor videos. Kentville's best YouTuber on YouTube is Dennis Ramsay, beyond a shadow of a doubt. Subscribe now to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. It's free to subscribe and share. You do know that. Canada's god of folk art is Dennis Ramsay. World famous Kentville folk artist Dennis Ramsay coming at ya. Call me if you want to buy some paintings. 902-365-5044. No jive. Subscribe now to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Natalinos Pizza Parlor French fries. Get a 9 out of 10. The French fries get 2 thumbs up. Please subscribe now to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Peace out. And a wink for Mom, why not?